Hello friends, what's up? Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to teach you about how to write CV with cover letter. Hope you are going to enjoy the lesson very much. How to write CV with cover letter. At first I would like to say you that cover letter should be on one page. CV writing or resume or biodata should be on another page. No way cover letter should exceed more than one page, and CV also should not be exceed one page. You must maintain that. Many students or many learners, many people write CV and cover letter more than one page. I am repeating again, cover letter should be on one page. No way you should exceed more than one page, and CV or resume should be on another page or should be on one page, not more than one page. Such as we would like to write here today, write a CV with cover letter to Chatpur High School for the post of assistant teacher. Then I haven't written actually one thing here. At first you have to write here date November 22 2020, on which date you are writing the CV. Then the headmaster, as I am writing the cover letter or CV to the headmaster of Chatpur High School, that's why I have written the headmaster. If you say that, sir, if I apply for a job to a bank, what will be at that time? At that time you can write the managing director. Such as you are writing a CV to Square Group. Okay, in private companies or in private firms you can write the managing director there. Then I have written here the name of the institution, Chatpur High School. If you say that, sir, if I apply to bank, what will be? Sonali Bank Limited, Puvali Bank Limited, in this way. Then address will be there. Subject, application for the post of assistant teacher. If you apply to a bank for senior officer, application for the post of senior officer. As I am writing here for the post of assistant teacher, that's why I have written here application for the post of assistant teacher English. If you say that, sir, if I apply for the lecturer to a college, okay, application for the post of lecturer English. Then, sir, in response to your advertisement published in the Daily Star on November 23rd 2020, I would like to offer myself for the post. My CV is given. You should not change. You can always write in this form, in this way. Just you can change the date here according to the sources. You are writing November. Actually, it will be 24. It will be 24 because the advertisement has been published on 23rd November. That means you are going to write the application or CV with cover letter on November 24. In this way, you should not change it. Just change the date. As the advertisement has been published on 23rd, you have to mention, and you are writing the CV on 24. Okay, that's all cover letter. That should be till. That should be on one page cover letter. No way any word can be written on another page. Cover letter, I am repeating again, cover letter must be always on one page. Then I am going to tell about CV now. CV should be also on one page. No way you can exceed. So at first, one name you have written, father's name, mother's name, present address, permanent address you have given. Okay, religion, nationality. If you are Bangladeshi, if you are living in Bangladesh, Bangladeshi. If you live in India, nationality Indian. Date of birth, as we are writing today the CV in 2020. That means I think that if I take 1995, that will be better. date of birth 1995, marital status unmarried, educational qualification you should not draw table there. Educational qualification you can write that name of the exams, that means SSC, HSC, BA honors, MA. Then year, uh, if you are born, if you have written here that 1995 1st February 1995, that means 2011, SSC year 2011, group science, grade A plus, board Dhaka board. Then HSC to the 2013 science group, grade A plus, Dhaka board. Then BA honors 4 years 2017 second class, Dhaka University. Then MA in English, 2011, 2013, 2017, 2018, and second class from Dhaka University. That's all. Nothing more is anything more is not necessary there. Okay, then experience serving as an English teacher in X high school since you have completed your master degree in 2018, that means you can show there 2018, and that's all. That's all. You should not write anything more there. Then signature, and above the signature you can write, you can put there your sign. I would like to repeat it again that such as you are writing such as writing application. The question is writing application to the headmaster of Chandpur High School for the post of assistant teacher. In this case, if you apply to the bank, the managing director will be. If you apply in any private firm, at that time managing director will be. Then address, subject, application for the post of assistant teacher, application for the post of lecturer in English, application for the post of senior officer, application for the post of manager. In response, you should not change it, just change the date. As the application advertisement has been published on 23rd 2020, you are writing 24 on 24 November. CV writing, you should write name, father's name, mother's name, present address, permanent address, religion, nationality, date of birth. Date of birth, I have told you that to maintain 1st February 1995. If you write in this way, then SSC will be 2011, HSC will be 2013, honors will be 2017, masters will be 2018. In this way you can complete that. Experience, you should show 2 years experience. That's why serving as an English teacher in X high school since 2018. As you have completed your master degree, since then you have been serving here. You are brilliant student, so that's why you got job as soon as possible completing your master degree. And then put signature. That's all. There should not have any. I would like to show you here now, right? I hope that you can understand well. You can see well the format of CV, though it will be very much difficult because I have tried to give all things on Snap or on board. That's why it is a little bit actually illegible or size in, or the fonts are in a small size. But I think that whatever it is, it will be difficult. You will try to understand in which way actually I have tried to teach you. There should not have any type of confusion in which way actually I have told you. Just maintain always. I think that you have understood well, and I will come again with new topic. Till then, bye bye.